Baby, do you have a cough? Do you have a cough? Jessica? Do you... Oh dear, you have a cough. Do you need some water? Oh! How are you? Are you going to take a drink of water now? Mmm. Do you have a cough now? Oh, you better have some more water. Take care of everything there. Are you done? Sweetie, do you need another drink? You go. Oh dear, you better take some water. Oh, there you go. Oh. Hey, destructive. This is Jessica's pretend cough so that she can have water. Oh. Oh, gosh. Sweetie? Jessica? Oh, it's warm enough to go outside today. That's nice, isn't it? All right, don't destroy everything. Goodbye.